have Avarna Jain, who is the chairperson of Saregama and RPSG Lifestyle Media. So my first question is, how do you see, what does the building a creativity economy mean to you?
Um, so building a creative economy honestly is something that's very close to my heart. It is creating IPs out of culture, creating content, and at the same time building value and wealth for the nation.
Okay. And how is Saregama evolving from a legacy music label into a dynamic player in today's digital first creative economy?
So uh, we're doing many things, but I'll give you one small example. Uh, we had one of the largest repertoire of music in India. This was sort of just lying in our archives. We took that music and created it into this product called Karwa, and suddenly old melodies have been revived, and our cultural heritage has been preserved for the next generation.
Okay. So, as one of the few women leading major media houses, how do you see women shaping the future of India's creative industry?
I think the time has come for us to stop looking at it as a woman leader or a male leader. A leader is a leader. Sometimes I do feel that women have the tendency to be more empathetic. So they have a different leading style. But that said, I think we have to look at as a leader, and the more efficient you are, the better you are. And if you can get people to actually garner their creativity and produce great stuff, you can do, a million things.
Okay. So, with the short form content, AI generated music, and the new IP models emerging, how is RPSD Lifestyle Media preparing for the next phase of creating creative innovation?
So, as it was rightly pointed out inside, you can't ignore AI. You have to embrace it, and you have to learn to work within the realms of AI. If you look at, maybe 50 or 100 years ago, when the printer or the photocopier came into being, it's not like the artist lost its value. I mean, artworks became more valuable, even though you could, create it mechanically. Similarly, when AI happens, I don't think jobs will be lost, more jobs will be created. We just have to learn to adapt to it and strengthen our laws so that there is no sort of plagiarism or use of content without crediting or without permission.
Okay. So, what message would you like to give to share with the aspiring creators and the entrepreneurs?
So I think just one message: create, but create with excellence.
Thank you.
Thank you.